Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to my what I say. Welcome to my vlog
Thank you.
today. You can ask me whatever you want to ask regarding yes, no? The courses and others.
So, when was your office established?
Since 2002, we are
Okay.
authorized here in Guwahati. Okay.
Do you have any other colleges in India?
Yes, we have
Where?
colleges. Yes, we have colleges within India, but out of Assam and out of Northeast. Okay.
So, what are the courses you provided?
We provide the UG, right from diploma to PG courses, UG, PG, all the courses, just like MBBS, BDS, engineering, BBA, LLB, BCA, all job-oriented courses.
Do you have any other branches?
Yes, we have, but not in Assam. Assam, this is only the head office,
Okay.
and we have in Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal, and Shillong, Meghalaya. In Sikkim also we have office.
And what is the process of admission?
Okay, oh, you want to know about the process of our admission,
Yeah.
how we do the processes? Yes, for regarding admission, first you have to, this is just, you have to enroll here. This is enrollment form. You have to enroll here and you have in which course you want to study. Actually, we have the courses within India and abroad also. In abroad, first I will say in abroad, okay? In abroad, you say, first you have to pay regarding the MBBS course. Abroad, all the MBBS courses are of 6 years. Okay, there first you have to enroll your name here along with your certificates, all 10 plus 2 certificates, then whatever this other birth certificate, all the supporting documents. Then we will process, just like we will process this in the universities as a token of as a admission. We have to means we usually charge some amount
Okay.
for the university fee. That is, after that you will get the admission confirmation letter. After that the process will start. After getting the confirmation letter, then you have to you have to pack your bags.
That's the saddest moment, I guess.
Yeah.
So, do you provide any loans?
Actually, loan bank will provide the loan, but we will assist. Okay, we will assist how the loan. Even all the government, since we are providing the government universities, even the private also, then we will get the admission confirmation letter and the prospectus also. Along with this, you have to go to your own bank, your cousins or yours bank. Then bank you can apply in the bank, because education loan is also covered here.
Okay, that's great.
Hmm.
And what about the student? Do you provide any hostels or staying facilities?
Yes, hostel, university or college hostel you will get. Even PG is also there. Okay, it's up to you whether you can stay with 2 friends, 3 friends, or a single room. We will provide.
Okay, then what is the medium of instruction?
Where abroad?
Yeah, in abroad.
All are in English medium. Say, right from the starting, we are sending to China, Russia, Ukraine, or Kazakhstan, North America. Since we are foreigner for them, no? So all are international for foreign countries students. We are the international students. So English is the medium of instruction.
Okay, and are all colleges are government or
Yes,
private?
abroad all are government universities and colleges, but within India all are private colleges. But some colleges are of central university affiliated colleges are also there.
What about the passport and visas?
Oh, for abroad.
Yeah.
Okay, passport. Actually, you have to apply the passport here also. Here from our office also, our MD will assist you. Means for the beginners or the newcomers, and how to apply. From other state also they can here, no. So how we will apply the passport directly nowadays? What happened? You can apply. All the people apply themselves, but here from our office also we will assist. And this visa, about the visa also, we will assist everything about the visa, paper legalization, and going to means everything whatever is in with the embassy. our office will do all this.
Okay.
Okay, now satisfied your queries. Now, if any query, then you can ask me. You can visit
Sure.
our office also. So no need to worry. You will get all the information free of cost.
Okay. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Thank you for visiting here. Okay. So if anyone interested, then you can just convey the message that we are sending in government universities as well as in private colleges and universities, but all in India, within India, but out of Northeast. Okay. But abroad, all government universities.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.